Welcome back to another video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. MeiaSoQuick with the uploads. Intro's over. Subscribe before you go. Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick back for another video. As you can see, my base is already done in this makeup video. You can click the eye somewhere at the top and you can see how I went about doing that. But let's go ahead and zoom in and get started. Whoa, you're a little close. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grab this concealer. It's by ColourPop. It's in the shade Dark 36, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my eye, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a beauty sponge and just blend it all out. Once everything is blended all out, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm gonna take that camel brown that I love to use, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff that around my crease. Once that's all blended, I'm going to go ahead and take this deeper color, and I'm just going to go right into my crease to try to deepen that up and give my eye some depth. And I'm also going to kind of shape my eye up in a sort of a kind of a lift. Once I've got it blended out to where I like it, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease. So I'm going to grab my NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to get that on this concealer brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my eyelid in a sort of half cut crease. Once I'm satisfied with my cut crease, I'm going to go in with this Orange You Glad ColourPop palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take this bright orange shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that onto this white base. As you can see, I'm just really taking my time to pack the color in and to make sure that it's as even as possible. And once I'm satisfied with this color, I'm going to go back into my Orange You Glad palette, and I'm going to pick up this tangerine-like color, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on the inner third of my eye and blend it in. So I'll be going back and forth with both of these color oranges. Once I had those two colors placed, I decided to go in with another shimmer orange in my inner corner. I quickly realized I did not like how it looked, so I went back and I chose a different color. I think this paler orange worked a lot better for my inner corner. decided to go in with some pressed glitter, just using this glitter that's in the middle and using my index finger just to tap it and apply it directly to my eye. As always, I'm going to grab a shimmer and I'm going to add that to my inner corner. So I'm going to use this orangish shimmer out of the Orange You Glad palette, and then I'm going to go back to my Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, and I'm also going to take the lighter champagne-like shimmer and use that just to give me an extra bit of flavor in my inner corner. Now I'm just taking a deeper brown from my Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to use that to darken up the outer edge of my eye. Now using a pencil brush, I'm going to start to apply all of those colors to my bottom waterline. So I'm going to take the reddish brown as well as the deep brown and the caramel brown and just blend them under my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Gel Pot Eyeliner. I think it's called the Eye Studio, and I'm going to use that to go ahead and line the top of my lash line. After that, I'm going to take this Master Cajole liner pen, and I'm going to use that to line my waterline. Once that's set, I'm going in with this Maybelline Lash Studio, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my bottom lashes, just a nice thin coat. And then after, I'm going to apply them to my top lashes. I am applying falsies, but I'm going to just go ahead and brush these through downwards so that my eyelashes don't curl up into my falsies and make it harder for me when I'm trying to glue them down. Now that I've got my lashes applied, we can go ahead and zoom out and finish off this look. So I'm just going in with this brown LA Girl liner. I think it's for the eyes, but I only use it for my lips. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips and then pat them in and blend. And my lips were kind of dry, so I also took a lip balm and smoothed that over my lips as well. And I'm actually going to go ahead and pick up this Wet n Wild palette again, and I'm just going to choose that orange eyeshadow that's in there, and using my finger, I'm just going to go ahead and dab that color over my lips. Next, I'm going to take this Burt's Bees lip gloss. It's kind of a brownish goldish color, and I'm going to apply that to the center of my bottom and top lip. dusty the last couple days, so I needed to get cute. But let me go ahead and get my hair together and show off this final look. Alright, so that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, okay? Once again, I use the ColourPop Orange You Glad palette. And before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to my page for more content. I have a lot of fun things coming up. And also hit that like or leave me a comment on what you'd like to see next. Alright, bye.